Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today I'm discussing about the solution of this question. The management of the Executive Furniture Corporation decided to expand the production capacity at its Des Moines factory to cut back the production capacities at its other factories, two factories. It is also organizes a shifting market for its desks and revises the requirements at its three warehouses. So in this question we have a table here where in from we have Des Moines, Evansville, Fort Lauderdale, and then the requirements on the top of bottom row. Then we have four columns. So I already solved this question using Excel formulas and solver. Let me showcase you the solution. So this is the formulation where I have taken AD, AE, AF, BD, BE, BF, CD, CE, and CF. So this one represents the amount shipped to the different cities, and then our goal is to minimize the cost. So this one is our minimization, cost minimization. Now this one is our solution. So these all are the decision variables, and then here we have used, and then the solution is 3200, which is the total profit. And then this one is the sensitivity report, which I got using Excel solver. And then this one is the limits report. And then this one is the formulation, and this one is the answer report. So this is my final answer, and I have been working around in this textbooks, and around 8 years of experience. And if you need any help in other questions as well, you can reach me out as well. To get this Excel file, you can reach me as well on my email address and my WhatsApp number, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So you can reach me out anytime once you require this solution, and hopefully you can reach me out for another questions as well. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.